welcome to my review of the Flare Studio Pro in-ear earphones. These were very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing my opinion with you so that you can make an informed buying decision. Now these are quite different because they are really well engineered and they are 3D printed by Flare Audio. Now Flare Audio are based in England and they make some superb products, and these are their very latest release. They are available in either a Bluetooth version, a wired version or a combination version. And what I've got here is the wired version. If I take a look at the back of the box here, you can see that these are the 3.5mm with the MMCX connection in graphite. You get some extra ear tips inside the box. You also get a 3.5mm cable. I think it's about 1.2 meters long, and it uses this mirror image sound technology, which really does give you a great audio reproduction. Now inside the box we do get a user guide. It's well worth taking a look through this. It guides you through obviously using the Bluetooth model if you've chosen that option, and also how you get a really good fit with the different ear tips that they include inside the box. Now the ear tips don't come pre-installed. I've put my favourite ones on here already, but you get two separate packs. You get silicone ear tips, which are what you would expect from most manufacturers, although they do feel a little bit higher quality. They like more of a matte finish, and they're made obviously of silicone. Three different sizes. I've already put the medium size on here already. And then you also get a separate pack which is audiophile tips, and these are more like a sponge or foam ear tip, and again you get three different sizes. They're a little bit more pliable. Think of it like a memory foam. Very delicate as well though, I have found, so when you're using these you have to be quite careful when you're installing them so you don't damage them. Now you also get a little carry case, a little zipper carry case here with two netted pockets on it. And then I've already, as I mentioned, I've already installed the ear tips onto the cable. Do note that the ear tips don't come pre-installed, so you have to put those on yourself. I went with the medium ones and the silicone version for this particular review. Nice thin cable, as you can see here. Very, very nice cable with the 3.5mm connection on this end. The MMCX connection is on this end here, obviously. It's a nice firm fitting, really fits well. And we've got this 3D printed housing that obviously goes down to the silicone ear tip that I've installed. They're really accurately printed. You can see, if you look very carefully, that they are indeed 3D printed. It's a very fine and good finish. They've obviously done some finishing to these. And the housing being a bit larger does mean you get a much wider sound stage and a much better sort of audio frequency response, in my opinion, as well. I've been listening to lots of different genres of music, including with these, I tried some classical music as well, because I thought that'd be really interesting to listen to with these. And wow, the detail and the involvement you get in the audio that you're listening to is really impressive. Sometimes when you're listening with earphones, you just think, oh yeah, I'm listening to my favourite audio track. These is just like experiencing those audio tracks all over again. The engagement you get, purely because of the soundstage that's being delivered, is simply exceptional. I think that if you invest in a pair of these, you'll start listening to your music again, and you will explore your music library and discover new things, a new experience, because the soundstage is so wide and so encompassing that I think you'll really enjoy listening with these particular earphones. I think Flare Audio have done a fantastic job with these. Yes, as I mentioned earlier, they are a little bit larger than some, but I think the Flare Studio Pro deliver exceptional audio, and I just simply can't fault them. They are stunning in every respect. A nice lightweight, comfortable pair of earphones that's great for all different genres of music. If you want to pick up some of these for yourself, then please do check out the links down in the video description area. Also, if you enjoyed my video, please do hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in another one very, very soon.